All right, looks very nice. Now, I don't know if I remember telling you about this or anything. As you notice, there's no backsplash on here. And initially when I took out the black tiles with the concrete underneath it and chicken wire underneath it and the plywood underneath it and all that kind of stuff, it had one tile up there all the way around. I pulled that off, I patched it, I painted it. Before we installed the new countertops, always with my thinking was that I was going to be the one to decide to put the backsplash up. I was going to make videos of that. I've never done that before, and now, since we've decided to sell the condo, Mommy's decided to sell the condo, I thought, nothing doing. I'm not going to put the tile up there because the tile that I picked out might not be the same type of tile that somebody else might like when they come in here. And so we told the realtor, we told the realtor to explain that to the new owner, the projected new owner, and they can decide on their own to install whatever type of backsplash they want. Okay, that's why I'm not gonna push this. I got about 1 inch and 1/8 or so, 1 1/4 inches back there. I'm not gonna shove this tight to there because I know they're gonna end up having to pull it back out anyways. Okay, and so I'm just gonna leave it like that. And the next owner, they'll be the ones to install that. And like I said, the last person had the tile from here up to there, and that's it. And they stopped right here, and then they started again here, boom, boom, stopped. And they didn't even have anything on the back. And I would always recommend you having even if you decide to just put a full tile here, let's say, and leave drywall up above, I would still recommend from where the stove is, above where the, either you have an exhaust hood above the stove or a microwave such as this. This is a convection oven microwave combo. You can get those and that works pretty good. I would have a full piece right here, full tiles, a different design, or you can go with full quartz counter, the same stuff all the way, or you could get counter quartz like that all the way across here. Well, however they want to do it, okay? So that's why I don't have anything there, and that's why we're just going to leave it, and that's going to be kind of considered a selling point. One of the selling points will be, hey, you get to pick out your own backsplash. You can decide how you want to do that and all that. Because if that was an old style backsplash, somebody might think, oh yeah, I like the cabinetry and stuff. The old cabinetry kind of fits with the new counter, but I really hate that tile, you know, the backsplash tile or whatever. Okay, remember that. Oh, and speaking of upgrades, the other thing we did, this was a small condo, and it only had, I think it only had a 30-gallon water heater, and there's a tub, a fairly good sized tub upstairs, and it was a jacuzzi tub. And the other condo owners around here in this complex, they don't use it because the hot water runs out before you can fill up the tub. So Mommy, she went the extra mile and she took that out, and she paid to have somebody install a tankless water heater. Yeah, it costs I don't know, $6,500, but that's a good upgrade for a small condo or something. You never run out of water, hot water, and that's a good selling feature if you're going to end up deciding to sell your condo. All right? All right. That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos, and I've got a few more things that I have to do in this condo before we get it sold, but I've got everything on the deck all cleaned out, all the handrails, all the siding, even all of the siding outside, the windows, the window frames inside and out. Oh man, this thing looks clean. And I've got to look on my list. I've got a couple more things to do before I get into my paint, I wanted the paint to be kind of one of the last things. I got to paint the bathroom, one of the bathrooms, and also the garage. Okay, slowly but surely, I'm getting her done.